Yo, what's up, world? Today we are in Nusa Dua in Bali, obviously, and exactly in Grand Hyatt Hotel.
So we decided to chill out in Nusa Dua because we've got so many requests asking
many.
about how Nusa Dua nowadays, because like due to this current situation where many hotels are closed. Okay, so nowadays the only access to go to Nusa Dua is if you are going to the hotel, staying in the hotel. Maybe the same like requirement like before, if you stay here or you just wanna chill in the hotel or the restaurant in Nusa Dua. And yeah, I can say the situation here only, I think that when we were in the parking, only 4 cars and not so many guests in Nusa Dua. And yeah, today actually I got day off, so yeah, we decided to have a chill here.
Meanwhile, we are enjoying the cup of coffee.
So Grand Hyatt Nusa Dua actually has a free day pass, and I mean like you can enter the hotel and then you can just jump to the swimming pool or enjoy the hotel facilities. At least you buy something to drink and to eat. And I compare the price in Hyatt Sanur, Grand Hyatt in Nusa Dua is much cheaper lah.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. And later we're gonna show you around how it looks around the hotel and Nusa Dua, but meanwhile enjoy. Alright, we are after coffee. Such a beautiful weather today in Nusa Dua in Bali, but especially here, and the ocean breeze. So it's so hot, but the breeze is so refreshing. So we decided we're gonna have a little bit we walk here around Nusa Dua and show you how's local life here. I mean, like a current situation in Nusa Dua. Many people of you asking us. We made a vlog actually like a few weeks ago, but still people are interested about, so why not to show you one more time? Yes, honey?
Yeah, I think that the people who asked us about Nusa Dua, maybe for those that who, whenever you come, that you guys come to Bali, you just stay in Nusa Dua. I know that some of people like that, just whenever holiday, just want to have all-inclusive holiday in the hotel, with the beachfront views, all you can eat, I mean, all-inclusive package. So yeah.
But before you ask if it's any hotel, because somebody asked, actually I forgot your name, I'm so sorry, but probably you're watching us every day. Is any hotel in Nusa Dua open for all-inclusive? Unfortunately not. It's not so many people around. Not like it's in each hotel is maybe like few people, only few rooms, so it's totally completely no point for the hotel to keeping all-inclusive option right now. Only a la carte and stuff like this. So
okay, because I think that last year at the beginning of the pandemic, once we stayed in Melia, right, honey?
Yes, we stay in Melia, right?
And then normally like Melia hotels or other hotels in Nusa Dua, they sell like all-inclusive package. Even at that time, we just have a la carte, what is it called? Breakfast
a la carte, and was completely no option of all-inclusive. And we stayed in the last year. You can still watch this video, by the way.
Yeah, because they need to cut off, the operational costs and everything. So even nowadays, the rooms, they sell it as, if I said as cheap as they can, I mean like as affordable that can cover all of their operational costs. So
meanwhile, that's how it looks, the peaceful beach in Nusa Dua. It's still a beautiful beach. Of course, nothing has changed about that. The only thing has changed, it is so quiet. And Sayang Hill walking on the beautiful promenade.
So yeah, and then let's walk there. And I think that's another part of Nusa Dua. And over there you see that's the famous water blow. I think that
water blow is over there somewhere.
One thing that I feel, I don't know what to say, that I feel just sorry to the lady who is selling like bracelet, massage lady on the beach. Yeah, maybe that it's really hard for them, they don't get customers. The beach is actually, I can say, empty. Even no one tourist on except us.
The only good thing is, as the gardeners like this one, for example, they still have a job, because obviously they need to take care of the complex of BTDC, which is Nusa Dua Hotels. So at least good for them. Anyway, we are walking and showing you around the Nusa Dua, and I just noticed as this is all around is there's still one hotel, which is the Grand Hyatt. This is not any kind of paid endorsement for them. However, it's huge. Comment below if you ever stayed in this hotel, and if you remember it was busy or quiet. How is it now?
Even that behind me is the surfboard rental. Unfortunately closed. I don't know where are the people. Are they still in Canggu or they are, I don't know.
I think Canggu people, they don't really about the Nusa Dua area, I guess.
Yeah, but
however, if you are living in Canggu, you can comment below. Have you ever been in Nusa Dua? Meanwhile, that's how it looked like. It's actually beautiful. And the water blow is at the front. Unfortunately, as we know, it's closed and it's so hot anyway.
Okay, so this area is normally it's like the area of the beachfront restaurant. I mean, like it's not belongs to the hotel, but it's just the restaurant. You see over there, restaurant with the swimming pool already left for a long time ago. Okay, so right in front of me is the famous Pirate Bay's restaurant in Nusa Dua. Wow, it's abandoned and it looks like ghosty nowadays. You
Very
see?
ghosty. I mean, it's totally abandoned, as you see.
There is no maintenance even, you know, like all the buildings, and then we see the broken parts of the building, and there is no maintenance. It's totally different when with the maintenance in the hotel and the restaurant in the hotel. So still, you know, they keep maintenance well. But look, this also another part of the restaurant. I forgot what is its name, but it used to be the famous complex of a beachfront restaurant in Nusa Dua. And yeah, it's just left abandoned, and even you see the swimming pool there.
The swimming pool over there is supposed to be, but unfortunately this is very abundant here in Nusa Dua actually. It's just totally left behind for 1.5 years, over 1.5 years, and doesn't look much optimistic, unfortunately.
Yeah, even that one, that building, also left abandoned without any maintenance from the owner.
This is actually very sad view of the restaurants here.
Okay, so right behind me this is the famous the Baybali. They said we are preparing something beautiful, but seems like inside I see already vines, small trees already growing inside the building. Seems like it's not really well maintained, the building, and it's just like left unattended and abandoned.
Let's see how is it inside little bit.
Oh my goodness.
Well, doesn't look much optimistic really so far.
It feels like ghosty, left abandoned hotel. I don't know when, if it is night time, it will be super scary. Okay, so by observing all the left abandoned building in Nusa Dua, and then if this pandemic just keep going on and on, I don't know, I just feel like
it's gonna take a longer while until everything will become back to any kind of normal. And yeah, I think in this year is totally no chance for any kind of free travel around. Maybe next year with some quarantines or something like this, with high restrictions like a Phuket sandbox or something. And maybe in 2023 something will come back, but maybe this is only my personal predictions and thoughts. It's nothing confirmed. You can comment below what do you think, when will be any kind of free travel in Southeast Asia, Bali, Australia, because in Europe you can travel actually freely now if you are vaccinated. In America also, but here it looks not so optimistic, right?
because you need to quarantine, right? Few
Yeah.
days in Jakarta, and then
In any country in Southeast Asia, you need to quarantine. So we are just comparing what's going on in Europe and in Americas, right? So that's how it looks like.
Okay, so nowadays whenever you are going to Nusa Dua, either you are staying in Nusa Dua in the hotel, or you just going for the restaurant, having lunch or dinner or day pass, And yeah, nowadays you can feel like this resort is just like your private resort because public cannot go here. Even like in the normal time, behind me the water blow is open for public, but nowadays not many people. Even the local warung over there, no money, you know, like many local warung selling a small snacks, drinks, something like that. When normal time it's open, but nowadays it's just closed, almost all closed. Alright guys, I think that this Grand Hyatt Hotel is the biggest Hyatt hotel, I mean like in the Hyatt company in Bali. You see that huge hotel with a big swimming pool. Yeah.
It's really big actually. That's right, and it's also very empty at the same time. I think this hotel is also kids friendly because so many kids around and the decorations like this. It's a really nice hotel actually. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And I think they have also water slide somewhere there. I cannot find this actually, but when we were coming here I saw it. But anyway, nice swimming pool with the caves. That's very tropical vibe here. Pretty cool for the kids, I believe. Very nice indeed. Alright, we come back and it's actually very hot. When you're sitting and chilling, drinking is so nice, but it's actually when you walk, it's like so hot. You can really get sweat and everything. We already got
Yes, we already got our towels, guys. I think there's a lot of video today from Nusa Dua. And then we will get ready to swim by the pool. They have a very nice pool and water slide. Okay, so also we will swim on the beach because the tide is not that high. Okay, so we will enjoy our day in Nusa Dua. I think that's all our video today from Nusa Dua. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya,
Bye.
take care guys.